Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Gladiator Rubicon. So you have a 3.6 liter V6 with 285 horsepower in this car. This has cloth seats, it's automatic transmission. It says Rubicon over there. You can use that when you're off-roading. Your speed in the gauge cluster, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the screen. Ride height is pretty good. Obviously with the tires and something like this, you feel a lot of friction when you're driving along the road. And the wind noise in this thing is definitely going to be really high. And the top can be moved back so you can enjoy the weather. A lot of body roll, obviously. Pickup's not too bad. The steering is definitely pretty vague in this thing. And the car feels like it's like swaying from side to side. It's just like, that's the point of this truck is really for utility. It's not meant to be like a luxury. There's nothing luxurious about this car, that's for sure. It's definitely more meant for like utility and the design. A lot of people like the way Jeeps look. And off-roading, you can go off-roading in this thing, hit all kinds of trails, things like that. Pretty bumpy. Go for a quick walk around of this car as always. So the daytime running lights are just halogen bulbs. Love that solid thud, satisfying. It looks pretty good. I like the way these look. Truck bed's pretty small. Here's your rear seats. Window controls in the center. But yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.